guys, I'm trying my beautiful slime. Let's get started. I'm gonna this purple. I'm gonna add some water in it. Oh my god. Now it's shiny. Guys, it's shiny. It's shiny. This water is shiny. This is called slime. Kayla has slime too. Huh? Right here. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. I hope you like this one, but you cannot have it because if you